Welcome back to Cars of Sweden Live, and today I'm on the road in a classic, absolute classic. So I don't know if you can tell from wherever angle you're looking at right now, but this is a 1988 Maserati bi-turbo. It's a 2.5 V6 engine. It's in excellent condition for its year. This is a pretty special car, and according to Sean, the man who knows, this is one of 100 cars in the country. And I've got to say, it's pretty nice. Okay, mate, I've just taken that car out. It drives beautifully, and yeah, what's going on with it?
Okay, Maserati bi-turbo, so there's two turbos.
Yeah, we like two turbos.
SE Sport and I Injezione.
All right, Sport Injection. That's what that big S and big I is, yeah.
But this is they're fun cars. You know, the small cars. This has got a 2.5 V6 engine with bi-turbo and injection. So this was like the highest level of sports car you could get as a normal car back in 1988. So they're quick.
How many horses has it got?
I'd say about 185, I think. Just under 200. So a lot for those times, 88.
Yeah, 88, you were flying in that thing, weren't you?
Golf GTI 100.
I mean, if we take a look inside as well, yeah, this is a nice place to be, isn't it?
It's luxury, isn't it? Bucket seats.
I love the leather, the soft
leather with Alcantara.
Yeah, it's gorgeous, and it's held up really well.
Yeah, and I mean, it's got this, you know, this like ribbed, sort of like puffer jacket style.
And it's got that nice little clock in the centre there, that Italian clock. It's like
exactly the 80s. This was so popular. All the Lotus Esprit turbos had this.
That's
style.
right, yeah.
So they have, but
it's held up so well, though. You wouldn't expect that to hold up as well as it has.
I'm very surprised with this car because it's really good condition, and it's no rust on this car. I can't find a rust spot on this car.
No.
And the guy who's had it, he's done all the engine stuff, like changed the cam belts, done everything, generators, quite technical engine. So it's, you know, he's made it so it's really going to be a good future.
And I mean, to be honest, mate, Italian cars from this era to not be rusty is quite a thing as well, isn't it?
Not rusty, and this one runs really well. I've driven the other ones before, they're a bit ropey, kind of going on 5 cylinders or hacky acceleration, but this one's been gone through everything, so it's a good one. Yeah,
you just got to get used to that dogleg gearbox.
Exactly, so you've got reverses over here, up, and then back one for first.
That's a proper sports car back in the day, though, wasn't it?
Ferrari, mate. Ferrari. So you buy this, you buy yourself something damn cool. Yeah. And I mean, look at it.
It's gorgeous.
I love the style.
It is a gorgeous car.
It reminds me of an Alfa 164.
Yeah, it does actually. It does.
When they came out, sort of like 90s.
Yeah.
You know, the two-tone with the plastic around at the bottom.
Yeah. And even the shape as well. You know, it's just a bit higher at the back, isn't it?
Exactly.
But this is a good-looking car.
And I love the wheels. So in like graphic grey. It's a great little car. I love it.
Right, and this one's going up for sale as well, yeah?
Yep.
This ain't going to be cheap, is it?
No, they land around 150.
150?
Yeah.
That's a steal.
For something different.
Yeah, I think that's a steal, mate.
Yeah. So I think we're looking for something a bit different, and I think they only made about 100 and something of the 2.5 engine.
Is that right?
Yeah.
And there can't be that many of them still around, can there?
Not of 100, and basically the 80s cars, they rusted to bits.
Yeah.
So I would say there's probably, of the 2.5 engine, perhaps 40 or 50 left max in the world.
Yeah, I'm going to check my bank account, mate, see if I can rustle together a few kroner, mate, and see...
We can take your X6 and part exchange.
Well, I need me X6, mate, come on, mate.
Listen. You need something with a bit of style, mate.
Look, it would accompany the X6 very well. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at.
Exactly.
But yeah, all right. But listen, thanks for showing us the car. Yeah. It's a good car. You know, if I win anything on the pools or the football this weekend, I might be in a running, mate.
Super.
So I hope you really enjoyed the show. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did. And we'll see you all again next week for some more Cars of Sweden live.